Hello, all. Callie here. I hope that you are just as excited as I am about the draft post feature inside of Google Classroom. It's simple and easy to do. It's just like creating a regular announcement or assignment, except for now you get to choose when you post it. So I'm going to go ahead and give my reading exit slip assignment. So I want to check in with the kids to see where they are with their reading. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there, add. And on here, I'm going to choose to share it with my U.S. History class too. And I'm going to go ahead, instead of posting it and making it live to the stream now, I'm going to go ahead and save this draft. And when I save the draft, it goes right here underneath the announcements section. You see that it says draft right there. In order to activate the assignment or the post, or to go ahead and post it, I can click on the announcement, see all of the materials in here, and go ahead and click post. I can also see that my two classes have been selected. Double check that. Lets me know that it's going to post immediately, and it goes straight to my stream, and I get the update that the post has been created. I hope that you enjoy this new feature from Google Classroom. I'm really excited about it, and I think that it will help in your classroom management. Thanks, and have a great day, everyone.